Two of the rear fender extension pieces. These are the pieces I was talking about, which is this one. So this is why I was changing it, because it got a big chip right there. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Now in this video we're gonna be installing the rear tail light extension. I think that's what it's called. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, because that's what it's called on the Caprice. So I think it's what it's called on here too. The rear tail light extension on the driver's side. So if y'all don't know, the driver's side is the side that's really broken up. It's like really bad, you feel me? So we're gonna be taking that one off, and we're gonna be installing the new one in this video. Now I was gonna do it all in one video with my tail lights and my reverse lights, but I figured why not just chop them up, because I don't want the videos to be too long to where people won't even watch them, you feel me? So I'd rather just chop them up, make them 3 separate videos, and we do it like that, you feel me? So if y'all new to the channel, hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way up, you know, for every time I drop. And another reason why I wanted to do 3 separate videos is when I'm basically documenting this stuff for myself too, so I can know what all I've done to the car, you feel me, what all I've already done to the car. So yeah, that's another thing too. So we're gonna get ready to get out, put y'all on the tripod again, and we're gonna install we're gonna install the rear tail light extension piece for this car. Now I'm sorry, y'all. Now like I said, this one should be pretty quick and simple. It's like, no, I think I gotta take my tail light off again, but it should be three bolts that's holding on the rear extension piece. And I think the one I have, one of the bolt pieces is broken, which is fine, but this was the only piece I could find online. It's like stores don't, online stores and stuff don't make them anymore. GM don't make them anymore, none of this stuff. So that's all discontinued. So whatever people have is was really all I can get, and this was literally the only one at the time when I ordered this. And I ordered this like 2-3 months ago. At the time it was the only one, and it wasn't too much. It was like $30, which is really good, because the one I bought for my Caprice was like $50, and most of these older cars parts are really expensive. People want a lot of money for them, because you feel me, it's hard to get them. So yep, we're finna get ready to get out, and we're gonna install this piece, and that should be really it for today. I was gonna record a couple more today, but it's raining, so I can't really be out here, and then it's raining. I get my camera messed up, because this camera wasn't cheap. I spent a lot of money on this camera. So yeah, like I said, I was gonna install like something else. I was gonna try these headlights, but I want to do the headlights, tail lights, reverse lights, interior, all these lights at one time. So I'm not gonna try these headlights out right now. But my radio I was gonna try and install now, but I'm gonna wait. My steering wheel I was gonna try and install now, but I'm gonna wait on that too. These are my lights I'm using for my reverse lights. They some bright LEDs. I'm not gonna do my EQ until I do my radio, and really I'm not gonna do my EQ at all until I take up this carpet. So that's the main thing. So I'm not gonna do the EQ or my speaker wire, none of that stuff, until I take this carpet up and we install the new carpet. So yeah, I'm gonna wait on that. Put some here speaker stuff. I put this gear shift on. It's temporary for now, because it's missing this side piece that you push in a side piece, you feel me, and pull it. But I just put this on for now, just so I can hold it, be able to pull the handle back, because it wasn't one on there, and I was tired of doing it like this, you feel me. So pause. So I just went ahead and did it like that. But other than that, yeah, we're not gonna install nothing else today, because it's raining. It's supposed to rain tomorrow too, which is Sunday. Today is Saturday, I'm recording. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow too, Sunday, so I'm probably not gonna be able to record nothing else on here. I'm gonna try to though. I'm gonna try and do the radio next. If not the radio, then the steering wheel. One of them two. But let's go ahead and get out, get ready and install this rear tail light extension, or it might be rear fender extension. One of them, I don't know. It's called one of them two. But we finna get out and install that. So yeah, give me a second, get everything ready, take my thumbnail picture. I'm gonna come back to y'all when it's time to install it. All right, y'all. So I was wrong on how much I paid for this. So I paid $50 for this, but the reason I paid $50, which I didn't even know, I forgot, it came with 2 of them. So it came with 2 of the rear fender extension pieces. These are the pieces I was talking about, which is this one. So this is why I was changing it, because it got a big chip right there. But I don't need to really change this side. I mean, I can, but I don't need to, because this one is still good. So what I can do is just keep this one just in case. This is this side, so I can keep this one just in case. Nah, I'm gonna go and change it. Forget. I'm gonna go and change it because it's like bent out a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna go and change it and put these both on there. Put both of these on there. So, and I was wrong. I thought one of the bolts was broke, but they're not broken. So that's another plus. Nothing's wrong with these. They just need to be sanded and painted up. But yeah, really good. So this was the main one though we needed to change. So we're gonna go ahead and change that light. I think I gotta take the tail light back off. But then we're gonna go ahead and change this one too, because this one like bent out. Yeah, y'all can see it a little bit. It's like bent out of shape a little bit. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to work. Right there. Get y'all up in here. All right. So I need a 10 mil. Move this box for now. Don't need that. My 10 mil. My 10. This one 9. Right here. Yep. 10. Just like that. 10 millimeter bolt, y'all. I might not have to take my tail light off, y'all. I might not, but I think I do. We're gonna see though. I'm so excited. I'm happy I got my car back. Now we can finally start doing stuff to this car like we've been doing to my box Chevy. Y'all don't understand how long I've been waiting to have this car back. And now that I finally got it back, and it still ain't even running right. But we're gonna get that taken care of. We're gonna get that taken care of. Yeah, once I'm able to drive and stuff, it's not gonna be just sitting here, y'all know. That's another thing. I'm ready to drive this car, get it back on the road. I hope I don't have to take this tail light off. Let's see. Oh, I do. Freak, bro. I have to take it off. That's one thing I did not want to have to do. Take all these bolts right back off. And it's getting hot again since it's been raining. It's starting to get real hot again. Starting to get real hot. Let's see if I just there we go. So I didn't have to take it all the way. I just took my top 2 off. But this is the reason. That chip right there. So let's go ahead and throw the new one on. We're gonna be rocking a different color, but it'll be alright. The car gotta get repainted anyway, so. Alright. Perfect. Look at that. Didn't even have to take them all off. Perfect, bro. Perfect, perfect. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and replace both of them just because that other one is like warped a little bit. It's like bent out of shape, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. Replace both of them. Might as well. It don't really matter for real that they're different colors, because like I said, the car got to get repainted. It ain't no choice really. The car have to. It's gonna need a new paint job, and I think I'm gonna go back with the same color that's already on here, sky blue. And then for my bunk Chevy, I'm going with this UNC Tar Heel blue. So they're two different blues. Y'all can see two different blues. So both my cars, they're gonna be different, but it's gonna be similar at the same time. You feel me? All right, hand tighten them. And we tighten them with the ratchet. Last one. Side socket. Take this one back off and put this other one on, so they all be the same size. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all in 1 second. So this screw is the wrong size, so he's gonna go with the original OEM one that was already on this car. Make it all 10 millimeters. It's even, flush. There we go. Straight like that. Everything's tightened back up. So, get y'all back off real quick. So yeah, there you go. Like I said, the bumper is damaged a little bit. As y'all can see, it's poking out there, and it's down here. It's a little gap there. But we got the new fender tail light extension. So let me go ahead and do the passenger side, and I'm gonna come back to y'all once I'm all finished. But It's already looking better. So let me finish this up and I'm gonna come back to y'all. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and changed both of them, but the passenger side is literally doing the same thing as the other one was doing. It's holding the gap. So I loosened up the bolt that was down there for it. I loosened it up, and yeah, I guess it's just gonna be like it for now. I don't know, I'll figure something out. But I went ahead and kept this one in here just in case if something was to happen. So if I need to, I can throw that one back on. But the driver's side one, yeah, that one's done. Can't use that one no more. But we got this one on. This one is sitting perfectly flush, even. You feel me? Perfect. This one is literally sitting perfect. It's sitting perfect over here too. Flush is right there. Y'all see? It's a small, tiny gap, and then right there too. But other than that, we done. We're gonna be done with this car for today. Nothing else I need to do. Got the reverse lights on. The only thing I need to really do is clean this thing. But reverse lights on, tail lights on, extension on. Reverse light on, tail light on, extension on. So got that all done. Shut it up. Yep. Rear end already looking a lot better. Already. Trunk is shut. Sitting better, looking better. Now, like I said, I need to give my reverse lights. But other than that, rear end is pretty much done. So yeah, it's pretty much done like I was saying. But other than that, man, that's gonna be it for this one. Like I said, ain't nothing else I really need to do that I can do today. Cause like I said, I want to throw my radio in, but it's supposed to be raining. I don't want to just sit in this hot car and it's finna rain. And I'm running out of memory on my SIM card, so yeah, I have to go get another memory card so I can record more. But other than that, man, that's gonna be it for this one. Make sure y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all. Like I said, man, subscribe to the channel, y'all. Same one like we got on the box Chevy, we got on here. Yep. Subscribe to the channel, man. Hit that like button, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop, man. It's gonna be it for this one. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the new fender rear tail light extension pieces. Yeah, man, it's gonna be it for this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one, whatever it might be. I know it's gonna be on this car though. I'll catch y'all on the next one.